2005, I became a Gay Games ambassador, a movement that started in the United States in 1982 and has since become the largest sporting and cultural festival around the world that takes place every 4 years. Unlike the Olympics, the Gay Games is open to all and embodies the principles of participation, inclusion, and personal best. It's an amazing event where gays, lesbians, bisexual, and transgender people come from around the world, not only to perform, but also to experience and share a space free from homophobia. It has been an important space for many of us to experience a time without prejudice, and also to imagine a world where this might always be the case. One of the challenges of the Gay Games movement has been for it to become a truly international event. Imagine a Games that includes not only Americans and Europeans, but also includes people from all over Africa, Latin America, Asia, and the South Pacific, who are able to strategize, network, create friendships, and develop all of these things to help fight global homophobia.
This is my first Gay Games, so it's going to be very emotional, you know. And I'm very excited and very honored to be here and to show the world, and not just the world, but my people, that there are gay people there. Get real. Here I am. Come out of your closet and be honest with yourself.
The thing is, for me, it's like I've been given a key to open the door.
We are here to represent South Africa and representing our family, of course ourselves. We are doing this for ourselves and for our sisters who are not here.
When we tried to raise funds for the Black Lesbian soccer team from South Africa to come to the Gay Games in Chicago in 2006, the experience of participating in these games changed the lives of these young women. It gave them the courage to be out and proud in very, very hostile communities. They have been present at all major pride events and public actions against homophobia in Johannesburg. These women are our warriors. They would never have been able to attend the Gay Games had it not been for the scholarship program.
The team, for me, it means sisterhood and unity. We can talk about everything and we all know where we come from.
I mean, I know soccer. In soccer, there's a lot of politics.
I would love to tell people that this team on its own is a political statement. It is a political statement to have a black lesbian team in South Africa. I'm trying to tell the world that whatever that you do, it won't change us, and we're still talented, and we still have goals, we still have dreams to achieve.
I have to go back home, then I'll make changes in my country, of course, with the experience I got from Chicago.
The Gay Games Scholarship Program, to me, is the most important thing about the Games. It brings people from parts of the world where they would be excluded because of lack of finances for flights and accommodation and visas to take up their rightful place at a truly international event. So please pledge your solidarity with our brothers and sisters from around the world. Fight global homophobia by donating to the Gay Games Scholarship Program. So for example, $2,000 will pay for someone to compete in the entire Games. $200 will make sure that a participant registration fee is covered. $50 would see an athlete have meals for 2 days. Even $10 would help. When you have many small amounts, those can often add up to quite a bit. So please spread the word. Thank you very much for your time and for your solidarity.